Memorial Day signals the start of grilling season, and grilling is a great way to enjoy the outdoors and serve up healthful and flavorful meals. To create balance on your plate with the grill, focus on featuring more lean protein picks and plenty of fruits and vegetables.
Yes, that's right. And adding fruits and vegetables to the grill, of course, adds color, it adds texture, flavor, and nutrition, we know, without adding many calories. But grilling produce can also transform foods by infusing a nice smoky flavor, and it caramelizes those sugars to enhance the sweetness of it.
And of course, we're going to share some of our favorite pairings when it comes to lean protein picks and vibrant, flavorful fruits and vegetables.
We are. And first up, we're featuring the succulent pork tenderloin paired with grilled pineapple and peppers, and you can feature it in a teriyaki lettuce wrap for a fresh taste. Now, pork tenderloin is actually a really lean meat, a lean protein choice. It's rich in protein and B vitamins, of course, but it has very little saturated fat, so it's going to be lower in calories. And grilling the whole tenderloin will result in a nice crispy crust, but it still retains that moisture and flavor. You can serve it up in a fresh bib of lettuce with some crispy matchstick carrots and alongside some steamed rice.
And I like that you can save time with your shortcuts too, which can also go on the grill, and a beautiful presentation to serve up that whole tenderloin. Yes. And when you're thinking about featuring fish and seafood on the grill, lean protein picks are going to be another great choice here, featuring things like shrimp. Now, the trick with shrimp, especially because it has such low fat content, we do need to add a little bit of oil there to prevent sticking. So simply marinate with some olive oil, and I use Food Club Southwest Chipotle seasoning to add a little bit more of that smoky flavor. Pairing it with a grilled corn on the cob is going to give that perfect balance of sweet and savory flavors, and really simple dish to put together to feed the family.
And I smell the chipotle. It smells so great. Love it. Well, a staple in any Memorial Day cookout, of course, is a burger, and you can still feature this grilling classic by focusing on lean ground beef and offering a fresher flavor with extra vegetables. Now, when selecting ground beef, we really want to aim to choose 90% lean or even leaner if you can, for less saturated fat, fewer calories. And then this avocado beef and veggie burger incorporates grated zucchini, carrots, and onion right into that ground beef patty mixture, and you simply mash some avocado with some lemon juice, spread it on your whole wheat bun for a more balanced take on the dish.
I think what's so fun about this is it's not a full veggie burger.
Right.
We're still getting that beautiful beef that we're used to having, and definitely getting some more flavor, texture, and nutrition in there.
You're so right. And you can switch it up. Mushrooms are another great one to feature in ground beef, so you've got options.
Yeah, and of course, as we mentioned, more produce picks are what we want to focus on getting on the grill. So if you're looking for more ways to add fruits and vegetables to your plate, focus on choices that can go directly on the grill. So when it comes to fruits and vegetables, we want choices that are high in water content, because they're going to be able to stand up to the heat. So for veggies, try choices like asparagus, mushrooms, like you mentioned, peppers, summer squash, and corn on the cob. And when it comes to fruit, we want to choose choices like watermelon, peaches, mango, and pineapple. And these are tough enough. They still have that soft sweetness, but they're going to be able to be grilled to perfection and get that caramelized flavor we're looking for.
I love that, and infuse that smoky flavor. It's more complex. I love that. Well, fire up the grill and balance your plate all summer with lean protein and your produce picks from Food City. And for more inspired grilling recipes, visit foodcity.com.